Hey, how are y'all? I'm great. This one right here?
Yes.
Okay. Let's get you in here.
Do you take card?
No, ma'am. We do cash up and Venmo, or I can always follow you to an ATM.
I can cash app you.
Okay,
Or
that
Venmo,
works.
whichever one you prefer.
Okay. We can do cash app if that's okay with you guys. Okay. How are y'all doing?
Pretty good.
Good.
I'm tying up loose. That's my ex-husband's army gives me keys it next weekend. I was like, please don't come bring the keys. I'll get it later. I'll get it out. Don't
No
worry.
contact's better.
Yeah.
I understand.
So other than that, yeah, good.
I'm having a fantastic day. This is the first time I've been to Land Between the Lakes. We spent the
It's
entire
beautiful out
day
there.
out there.
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody's doing
That should be good enough. And you were in there.
it. Click.
Come on. Maybe.
Maybe clear.
There we go. Oh, yeah.
It's $80.